Who is next to you? Who is next to you?
Hi. Hello.
Hello.
Oh.
Hello, ma'am.
Bro, where are you from?
Yeah, I'm
Where
from
are you
Bangladesh. And you all are from
Oh,
Philippines?
you're from
Are you
From
single?
Philippines.
Are you single?
Yes, I'm single. What about you?
Me too.
Me
Anyway,
too.
how old are you now?
She's Laos.
Okay, I'm 24.
Wala nakakanood.
I'm 24. Can I guess your age?
24. Me either.
You
Yes.
are 24?
I'm 24
Saan yung
too.
Bangladesh? Dad,
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Bangladesh daw siya. Ano
Same
yun?
Let me
straight
Thailand?
there.
guess. Okay, let me guess her
Wala
age.
tayong... Diyan.
Yes.
I think you are.
Tatanungin ko muna.
Yeah, I think you are 22.
Pasalamatan mo lang and then change.
Ay, do you know, ano, AIM Global?
Global means what?
Do you know Alliance in Motion Global?
No, I don't know. I don't know. Sorry. So where do you live in Philippines?
Ay,
What is your city name?
Anyway, let me ask you. Have you ever heard about Alliance in Motion Global?
galing nila.
No, I didn't. I didn't hear about that.
Don't you ever heard that?
No. What is this?
Oh,
What
anyway,
is
we
that?
are actually we are here doing digital business, and that's why I'm asking you that. So if you're not
Oh,
familiar with Alliance in Motion Global, so I appreciate your kindness and good gesture. I appreciate that most. Yeah.
oh, I got it.
So
Are you a businessman?
so I will follow you now, and then I'm hoping that you will follow me back as well.
Yeah, yeah,
So
it's
have a
already
great
done.
day and see you. Yes,
Yeah,
see you.
I just wanna talk. I just wanna ask you more question.
Okay, all right, okay. So you can talk to her.
Why?
Then,
Do you like me joke?
Yeah, yeah. I wanna talk
Yeah,
you
yeah.
both guys. Okay.
What?
So what's your
you
name?
like me? Uy, bakit na yung picture? Wala
My name is Mara Pantoja from Philippines.
Okay, Marapam Tuha. Can I guess your race? Can I guess your race? What are you?
I'm
Let me guess. Let me guess. Uh, I guess you are 22.
I guess I'm 22. I'm 22 daw.
What?
Am I right? Am I right?
Uy, tama ba?
Higher.
Tama
No.
No?
Ito, this is, how old are this?
Oh, I think. Okay, okay, okay. Just sit in front of camera.
Ay, sorry guys. Sorry bro. Actually, she didn't speak well in English.
No
So,
problem,
Joke
no
lang,
problem.
marunong ako
It
mag-English.
doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
okay,
Okay,
okay.
no
No
problem.
Joke
problem.
lang.
So,
No problem.
Teka lang. First time ko kasi dito sa apps na to, kaya ngayon.
So I think
Tagalog.
Pinagalit ko.
You know what? She speaks Tagalog.
no, no, I didn't know. I don't know Tagalog. I don't understand actually. So can you
I'm
sing?
shy.
Can you sing?
Can you sing?
Hindi ako no.
Do you have
I'm a
any?
dancer.
Oh,
Dance.
okay.
Oh, but she dance.
So do you have any special talent? Like you are a dancer, it's your special talent.
Bigo.
Anyway, bro, she said that if you want to, only if you want to, she did follow you, and then
Transfer.
you just follow her back if you want to.
Yeah, it's
Is it
done. It's
right?
already
Is it
done.
alright?
It's already done, man.
Then I appreciate your kindness, by the way. So hoping we can see you soon.
Ayan. Hello guys. Please subscribe Mr. Paul in her YouTube channel. in Sorry.
No problem, no problem.
Hello everyone. This is Nomi Manao. us and please subscribe Mr. Paul English YouTube channel. Yan. Is it right?
Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much.
No.
Let's
What? Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh. And where are you from?
Bangladesh? Saan yung Bangladesh?
Wow, Bangladesh.
Bangladesh ka?
Bangla.
Bangladesh. I'm from Philippines.
Oh, Philippines.
Hello.
Yeah, you look so
Do
nice.
you speak Tagalog?
Tagalog? Apa kabar? Apa kabar? Kumusta ka?
Kamusta ka? I'm fine, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm
How about you?
Ay, marunong ka mag-Tagalog.
Okay, I don't know Tagalog.
Do you speak Filipino?
Do you speak ano?
Filipino?
No, actually not.
Tagalog? It's not? We're from...
Who is next to you? Who's next to you? Who is he?